All right, MTV, welcome to my crib. So fun. We're on our way. Welcome back. We are currently driving to our new apartment. We are headed there for our move-in orientation. So we're driving over the I-90 bridge from the Bellevue area right now. We are headed to the apartment now, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Oh, so excited. I haven't even seen it. We haven't seen the actual unit yet, so exciting, a little nerve-wracking, but exciting. Our car is already packed with some of the essentials we're gonna need, so we are probably gonna be moving in today and throughout the weekend. So just taking some of the bigger things probably today, and I'll show you guys our new apartment when we get there. What's that for?
Let's see what the air hitting for.
Is it fresh?
I think so.
I think so.
Well, downtowns, I guess, usually don't have the freshest air because we got all this pollution, but hey. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Get a library card where I'm out here.
I can't look yet. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, yes.
You see this view, babe? Sheesh!
Oh, it's basically right there.
You guys. I actually can't. I might cry. Sheesh. Oh yeah, this is definitely, this is way, oh my gosh.
Crazy, actually. This is crazy.
Isn't this crazy, babe? You happy?
It's crazy, babe. Okay, that's what we do. It's crazy.
All right, MTV, welcome to my crib. That's our empty apartment tour. I figured I would show you guys. We just got here and it is so stunning. Our den, this is gonna be kind of like a closet office style, and probably should be doing this on my phone, but it's fine. This is probably gonna be office slash closet because my closet is so small that we are, i.e. me, are gonna need some more room here in the house for my clothes because we really don't have enough space for all my clothes. Washer and dryer, nothing super fancy about that except for the fact that they are fancy. I am gonna need to get some more storage no matter what. Should I go in the living room or the room first? Bathroom is off to my right. So stunning, big, huge garden tub, which we love because I am a bubble bath girly. Coat closet is right behind you guys. And our room is a little small, but who cares when that's the view from our balcony. Trying to figure out how we are gonna arrange the room, but we will cross that bridge when we get to it. Y'all, I can't tell if this is my favorite part. It probably is. This is our patio, and that is the Puget Sound behind me. How insane. We have no obstructions in front of us. It's just straight up Elliott Bay. Kitchen is galley style, but I love it. It has a huge big window and then a gas stove, lots of storage, which I'm really happy about because in our last place, we really did not have enough storage for all of our things. So this is gonna be amazing. There's also a little spot over here where I can do like a coffee bar of some sort. And then the living room, oh, look at this view, you guys. It's all windows. and I couldn't be any happier. Probably going to end up mounting a TV here. Not sure what we're gonna do as far as a couch situation. We usually don't, I mean, we haven't had a dining room table for years. We don't really use them because a lot of the time we end up working at a breakfast bar. Left us a little bottle of wine. So nice of them. But this is my view from the kitchen. Lighting in here is gonna be so freaking good for content. I cannot wait. And then, you excited, man?
Yo, see what I'm saying? Look at them hooking us up, bro. Care packages everywhere.
Right.
This is why, and this is what I'm talking about. You get what you pay for, and this is why you get what you pay for.